My arms all tingly. I don't make any noises. Not while you're recording me. What happened? That's the sugar. Too much sugar.
So how many Oreos did you put in that damn thing?
I don't know, like 10.
And how much syrup?
Like an inch or so, like this much. And by the time I got done, it was all the way up to here. I think it's safe to say it's bad for your health. Stop laughing at me. So funny.
I love you.
What?
I love you.
Well, me too. You're an ass for recording me.
Stop.
Not funny. Not funny.
I love you.
I love you too.
So see, I think you would have done better with the one that I made.
What are you talking about?
Instead of your crack.
What are you talking about?
Let's see Cody's crack.
It's in the fridge.
It was in the fridge?
It wasn't in the room in the freezer. Like straight chocolate syrup.
This is what he made.
I used the last little ice cream too.
See? And he drank about that much. And this is his reaction afterwards. How you feel, Beth?
Stop telling me you.
Hey, tell me how you feel.
No, not telling me you. You're making me feel sensitive. Go away.
No.
Go away.
No, I want to.
Go away.
No.
Yes.
Look at me. How you feel?
Don't feel anything.
No?
I'm fine.
You sure?